Clobotics Intelligent Blade Repair, a revolutionary methodology for supporting and documenting a craftsman's work. We provide a strong foundation for condition assessment by employing autonomous drone inspections, cloud-based processing, and online presentation. Using accurate data and artificial intelligence, our approach reduces the time and cost of maintaining onshore and offshore wind turbines. Clobotics performs repairs and upgrades using in-house subject matter experts and great attention to health, safety, and quality. The blade repair process is digitized and supports repair crews with procedures, work instructions, and guidelines during the blade repair. Clobotics enables the seamless monitoring and management of the entire blade repair process.